Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video we're gonna do the classic Boxycharm unboxing. So it's a thick box this time, and it's also really heavy. I picked one thing in the box. I don't remember what it was though. I think it's well, I'll tell you when we get to it, but I peeked in and it looks like a lot of skincare, which I don't prefer just because I have a lot of skincare. I kind of have my routine down to what works for me, so I'm like not really wanting to add more to it and stuff, and I just have a lot that I don't use, so I end up just giving it away. But anyways, let's just get into the box, shall we? We see the theme, which is Spellbound, of course, for an October box. Okay, so we're gonna open it up, and I see a bunch of stuff in this box, but since I've already peeked, I kind of know what's in here. So I'm gonna start off with this, even though it's not like the first thing that's like front and center. This is the Malin and Goetz, I don't know how to pronounce that, Resurfacing Face Serum. Exfoliating and brightening serum synthesizes alpha hydroxy acids and stabilizes vitamin C to help improve skin tone and texture. So I think what it's supposed to be is like a chemical exfoliator. I already have my skincare done, so I'm not going to test this out today, but I will try to do it and then update you guys. But you know me, you know I'll forget to update you guys, but I'll use it and whatever. It looks white. Oh, it's clear actually. The bottle's white. That's weird. I feel like a lot of skincare, it's more usually they're like see-through bottles. I'm gonna put some on my hand just because. It smells interesting. It almost smells, I don't know if it's like menthol-y or eucalyptus-y, but like that kind of vibe. It's $70. Next thing in the box is this guy. This is the Laura Geller Spackle Skin Perfecting Primer for hydration. It says it moisturizes and replenishes. I have oily skin. I don't need this. Also, I don't wear foundation. I'm not gonna wear foundation today either, but I usually do put, or not usually, I can put on a primer under just powder. I'll usually use like a blurring primer so that my pores are a little more smoothed out. But we'll try this. It's $32. I feel like, because I was like, while I was like rubbing it on my face, it's like thicker, so I feel like it might have blurring properties also. Maybe not like huge blurring properties, but like maybe some. I don't know. We'll see what happens when I put powder on. The next thing in the box is the Kndr Beauty Lip Mask, Hydrating Lip Mask, and it is $20. I should have put this on first, but oh well. Lip mask to me just means fancy bomb. Whatever. The packaging is cute. It's in like a little pot, although I don't know how good that's, since I have longer nails right now. I don't know how that will go. Oh. I don't know if like the heat from my body melted it or if I just like broke through the surface. I wish it had like a flavor slash smell to it, because like lip products, you can get away with that. Not so much like face products and stuff, you don't really want fragrance, but lip products you can, because you're also like eating it. But it doesn't really have a scent. Good thing I haven't done my face makeup yet. Dang it. Okay, so I finished most of my makeup, and now we're going to do the next thing in the box, which is this. And this is the thing that I picked for my box, which I kind of regret because I could have gotten an eyeshadow palette instead. But oh well. But this is the Beauty Bakerie Milk and Honey Highlighter palette. And it is $38, and I love the packaging. It's so cute. It's got like this outer sleeve, but like the middle part, it's like has like clear plastic, so you can like see the actual palette underneath. It's so cute. It's giving me Glow Kit vibes, but the pans are actually like a decent size. Like, yeah, but it's got like this pinky one, your classic champagne one, a goldeny orangey one, and then a I almost said the names, and then like a bronzy one, which I'll probably never be able to use. This one's interesting. I might use this just because it goes with the theme today. I'm gonna swatch them real quick. I did that so out of order, but they look, ooh, they feel really soft. I don't know why I went for my arm instead of my hand, but whatever. So I think the pink one is this one. It's actually coming off. Actually, it might be this one. No, pretty sure it's this one. It's coming off on my skin. I think it has like more of a warmer reflect to it, because it's coming off really a lot warmer on my skin tone, and usually that's what happens with my skin, because for some reason my skin likes to pull out all the warmer stuff, or like eat the cooler tones and then leave behind the warmer tones for some reason. I don't know why, but we're going to test this out. We'll use the pinky shade. It's called Oh Honey. I was hoping this would have a mirror, but I guess, oh my god, I'm a mess today, guys. But I guess it doesn't, so we'll use the one from this palette, I guess. Okay. Oh, I should have used a different color on this side, but oh well. We'll use the more whitey champagne one called Spoiler Alert on the nose, which I'm probably going to read. Ooh, that one's really pretty. Okay, and then I'm going to take, we'll do Oh Honey again, which is the pink one, and we'll put that on the brow bone. Pretty. Okay. And then for the sake of testing as many as we can, we'll put Be Sweet, which is that more orangey one, on the inner corner, even though it doesn't really match the vibe, but it's fine. Wait, I actually kind of like this. They kind of, when you open up the box, or the palette, when you open up the palette, they look like they would be kind of dry. But I actually kind of like them. They're like really soft. They go on really well. They're not like too intense, but they still do the job. So I don't know, I kind of like this. The last thing in the box is this. So these are by Julep Beauty, and they are makeup remover towelettes, and they are $20. Now, I haven't used makeup wipes in at least a year and a half. I got like a little reusable, like kind of like the face halo, like a little round. It's not like a cotton round because it's like it's like microfiber maybe. I don't know. It's like that, and I use that with makeup remover instead of using wipes that I just throw away and I just like go through them so quickly. So I saw these in the box and I was like, I don't know. But it says they're 100% biodegradable, so that's good. Okay, so I finished my makeup because I realized I hadn't put my mascara or brow gel on yet, but I have my little eyeliner and we're gonna put this on my hand. So while that's drying, we're gonna add everything up and hopefully it'll be dry by the time we're done. And if not, we can do like final thoughts or something. The total for the box this month is $180. So for $25, that's a good deal. I think I'm not necessarily disappointed in this box because I think all the products are good. Like even the primer, usually like hydrating primers make my face, they tend to make my face sticky, and I don't like that because even if like I put foundation, sometimes it'll still be sticky even after I like powder and stuff like that. So I usually don't go for hydrating primers. Also, since I have oily skin, I like, and bigger pores, I go for more blurring primers. But I think it's a good primer. I don't know if I'll keep it. I might give it to someone, to be honest, because I don't think I'll use it, especially since I, 1, don't wear foundation, and 2, don't really wear primer that much anyways, and the ones that I have already are the ones that I like, so I'll probably end up giving this to someone, but I do like it. So yeah. The lip mask, my lips are feeling really good right now. It's a fancy lip balm, but I actually kind of like it. It's pretty thick too, so it stays on the lips for a long time, which is good. You want something that'll stay on the lips and soak in very slowly, because it'll moisturize your lips really well. The only thing I have that isn't really like an issue necessarily is that it doesn't have scent or a flavor. I think if it would have had like a fruity scent or something like that, I would have liked it a lot more. In the highlighter palette, I really liked this palette actually. I was pleasantly surprised. I'll have to play around with it some more. I do have a lot of face palettes. Currently I have like 3 like highlight blush palettes and then like 2 or 3 like bronzer palettes, so I don't really need another face palette. So I don't know if I'll keep it just because I don't really need it. I might play around with it a little more and then give it away. I don't know, but it's a good product. So. Okay, so now I think this is dry. I just did a little star and we'll see. You know, I should have put on mascara. I really should, because I am going to do another video today where I have to put on all new makeup. So I guess I should have just gone ahead and taken my makeup off. Did that do anything? Oh, okay, these are actually like pretty good. The mascara is the true test, but I think it's taking it off pretty easily.